Upbeat music plays. Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you avoid buyer's remorse like the plague. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning with a showdown between the Bissell Steam Mop and the H2O MOP X5. Because who doesn't love a good mop-off? Let's see which one will make your floors shine brighter than our ex's excuses. First up, let's talk dollars and cents. The Bissell Steam Mop is priced at just $102, making it a great budget-friendly option. Many reviewers appreciate its performance for the price, highlighting its lightweight design and effective cleaning capabilities. In contrast, the H2O MOP X5 is a bit pricier at $169. While some users feel it offers versatility, others mention concerns about its construction quality. Overall, if you're looking for a solid steam mop without breaking the bank, Bissell takes the lead. Next, let's get versatile. The Bissell Steam Mop is perfect for hard floors and boasts high and low steam settings. Reviewers enjoy its ease of use and effectiveness on various flooring types. However, the H2O MOP X5 is like the Swiss Army knife of cleaning. Its 5-in-1 functionality allows it to clean everything from floors to windows. Reviewers have praised its versatility, noting that it's a great tool for deep cleaning. If versatility is your priority, the H2O MOP X5 stands out. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Cleaning power. The Bissell claims to eliminate 99.9% of germs, which many users have confirmed in their reviews. However, the H2O MOP X5 boasts an impressive 1,300 watts of cleaning power, making it a strong contender. Some reviewers have noted that it effectively handles tough stains, but others have expressed concerns about its overall effectiveness on certain surfaces. When it comes to sheer power, the H2O MOP X5 might have the edge. Ease of use is important, especially if you're like me and would rather binge-watch Netflix than clean. The Bissell has an easy-fill water tank that reviewers love for its simplicity. Meanwhile, the H2O MOP X5 easily switches to handheld mode, making it a versatile cleaning sidekick. Reviewers appreciate the convenience factor of both mops, but Bissell's straightforward design earns it points for ease of use. Lastly, let's talk accessories. The Bissell comes with a spot boost brush, which is useful for tough messes, while the H2O MOP X5 includes a variety of attachments that users rave about. Reviewers love the extra tools that come with the H2O MOP, even if some have raised concerns about the quality. If you want a mop with plenty of accessories, the H2O MOP X5 might be the way to go. Both products have garnered a mix of reviews. The Bissell Steam Mop is praised for its affordability and effective cleaning, while the H2O MOP X5 is lauded for its versatility but criticized for its construction quality. Overall, customers seem to appreciate the performance of both mops, but they have distinct strengths and weaknesses. So, there you have it. The Bissell Steam Mop is your budget-friendly option that gets the job done, while the H2O MOP X5 is the versatile powerhouse that can clean just about anything. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, whether you mop with Bissell or H2O, just don't leave those floors sticky like your last relationship. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart shopping tips. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.